What's your favorite song? We were listening to it in the car.
Boom, boom,
Yeah. Yay.
One more time. One more time.
The only way to find capuchin monkeys is to zero in on their calls.
Are you gonna pull your tooth out?
No.
Let me see.
No. Not like this.
I'll do it soft.
No.
Why?
You won't call and hang up on me. Yes, you did. I heard it twice.
Will you move it so I can record it? Just move it a little. I won't touch it. Ooh.